Selling items on Temu is a straightforward process. Today I'll walk you through how to do it easily. First, open Temu in any web browser and ensure you're logged into your account. Once on your Temu homepage, scroll down to the bottom and select Sell on Temu from the Help section. It's crucial to read the instructions carefully as they outline Temu's selling policies and code of conduct. Sellers must adhere to these guidelines, ensuring they do not sell any restricted or prohibited items. You can find a list of prohibited products by clicking on the provided link. After understanding the selling process, locate the For Sellers option, where you'll find the email address seller@temu.com. Email this address with details such as what you want to sell, why your business address, logistics info, and merchant info. Once you've provided all necessary details, submit them for verification by the Temu team. Upon verification, you'll be registered as a seller on Temu. If you require further assistance or details about becoming a seller, you can contact Temu through the provided Contact Us option. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to sell items on Temu with ease.